KJA Global Channel. Freedom by Design.
The questions that test freedom.
The 30 Articles Q&A.
Masterclass series.
E131 Article 6. The right to exist in the eyes of the law.
Pillar, truth, integrity, and institutional trust. Article 6 pairs with episode 87.
What does recognition as a person before the law actually mean?
It means the law must see you as a rights-bearing subject capable of holding rights and obligations, entering agreements, owning property, bringing a claim, and being protected.
Everywhere, not only where convenient. It is the gateway right.
Without legal personhood, every other right is unreachable, because there is no recognized person to assert it.
The implementation point is foundational. The law must first acknowledge that you exist as a legal being before any of its protections can touch your life.
Across sectors, it underlies the ability to work formally, open accounts, marry on the record, access services, and seek justice.
Why is birth registration treated as the cornerstone?
Because a registered birth is the first and most basic proof that a person exists in the eyes of the state.
The document from which legal identity, nationality, and access to services flow.
An unregistered child is legally invisible, easily denied schooling, health care, and protection, and dangerously vulnerable to exploitation.
And trafficking. The mechanism is universal, free, and accessible birth registration that reaches the poorest and most remote.
Because the law cannot protect a person, it is never recorded as being born.
Across sectors,
registration anchors a child's access to education, health care, and protection from exploitation.
Can a person lose or be denied legal recognition?
They can, and it is one of the gravest harms a system can inflict. People are erased when they are left unregistered.
When identity documents are withheld from disfavored groups, or when whole communities are administratively defined out of legal existence.
A capable system guards against this.
Recognition cannot be conditioned on ethnicity, belief, or political loyalty, and must be restorable for those wrongly denied.
The protection is a firm rule that legal existence is a right, not a privilege power may switch off.
It protects minorities, migrants, and marginalized communities from documentary erasure.
How does this right reach people on the margins of every system?
By extending recognition to exactly those most at risk of invisibility.
People without documents, those in irregular situations, the displaced, the institutionalized, and the unregistered.
The catalyzing duty is proactive. Late registration pathways, mobile and simplified procedures, and identity solutions that do not require the very documents a person lacks. Legal personhood is meaningful only if it reaches the person standing entirely outside the system, because that is precisely the person the law most often abandons. Across sectors, late registration, mobile civil registry services, and identity pathways for the undocumented and displaced. Difficult questions do not weaken freedom. They protect it from shallow thinking and unaccountable power. Examine the assumption, verify the evidence, continue learning, and turn understanding into responsible civic action. Share this discussion, participate thoughtfully, and subscribe to the KJA Global Channel so that the learning continues. KJA. Knowledge justifies authority. Freedom must not only be imagined. Freedom must be designed, protected, and lived.